Today we're going to talk about multimeters and how we can use it to test our batteries. Every machine needs a good strong battery to operate well. And today we're going to look at a Craftsman, and there are many different multimeters out there, and you can look at your own manual for your meter or look up on YouTube to see how how you operate it, where you should plug in your leads. But we're looking at this Craftsman today, which is very simple. Your black one plugs into, if you look in the hole, it's black, it's the common. Your positive plugs into a red hole here, and that is basically on all we do to hook it up. We turn it up to DC voltage, and then we would have our two leads that we could put positive, the red one, on the positive side of the battery, and the negative would go to your negative battery, and that would give us the measurement of the voltage that was in that battery at that time. So I've got my one lead already hooked up, so all I got to do is run one. But that is one battery, and this battery here is 6.04, which is basically dead battery. A fully charged 6-volt battery would be roughly 6.45, 650, sometimes with a surface charge a little higher. So a lot of times if you don't have enough voltage, different things are not going to work on your machine. They all have electrical components, contactors, relays, and they do drop out at different times. So if you don't have enough voltage, you're going to have problems. So this battery happens to be like we looked at, 6.4. If I go for the full battery pack, it is going to be 24.27. And most of the time, if I'm looking and working on a battery, I'd like to have at least 25 volts or better, because I just know at 24 it's about on the bottom side. So what we're going to do is jump from this machine over to another one that I know the batteries are fully charged in, and we can get a couple readings off of it. So this battery pack here happens to be gel batteries or AGMs. They're solid, you can't get in and check them. But again, we can go back and as a battery is hooked together to make the 36-volt battery pack, we got 6 6-volt batteries. And if we go back to, we hook our positive up and we come to our negative, we can see in this battery pack we've got 6, which we've got 39.1 volts. So it gives us an idea that our pack is completely charged. And if I wanted to do a little more testing, I could test every individual battery, which we've got 6.55, which I was telling you earlier you would have around 650, 645, and I could run through my whole package and verify that every battery was doing what it's supposed to be doing. So if you're calling for help or assistance on a machine, this is very vital, because depending on what may be going on with your machine, it would tell you if you had a bad battery, one that tested real low and the rest tested high. So that gives you an idea what you would need to even start diagnosing a machine, that you have at least 25 volts on a 24-volt machine, 36 or 37 volts on a 36-volt machine.